One of the questions I get all the time is, what CRM should I use for my cleaning business? And depending on what kind of cleaning business you own, maybe you do house cleaning, maybe you do carpet cleaning, maybe you do exterior cleaning like power washing or gutter cleaning or window cleaning. It doesn't really matter what kind of cleaning business you own. There's a lot of different CRMs out there to choose from. There's Housecall Pro, there's Jobber, there's Markate, there's Service Monster, there's Service Titan. There's just a lot of options. There's more coming out all the time. And so to keep things simple, I tend to recommend the same software over and over. It's the software that I have experience with for my own cleaning business. It's the software that I recommend at BookCleaningJobs, where we help cleaners grow their business. We've had a lot of success with this software, and everyone that I recommend it to seems to love it and stick with it. And that's Housecall Pro. Housecall Pro is not an expensive software. It's not the most expensive software in the industry. It's not the cheapest either, but it seems to do the most for the amount that you pay for it. We really love Housecall Pro at BookCleaningJobs. We've helped carpet cleaners and house cleaners and window cleaners use this software to grow their business for years now. It has incredible features that you would expect, like scheduling and invoicing, estimates, payments, but it also does things that you wouldn't expect, like online booking and review management. It helps you get more reviews for your cleaning business. So if you want to get your cleaning business found on Google and convince people to hire you, you know that reviews are important. Housecall Pro actually helps you do that. You don't have to get another review management platform. You can just do it within Housecall Pro. Same with online booking, like I said. It also does postcards and emails. So if you want to send follow-up marketing campaigns to the people that you've worked with in the past and try to get them to come back, you can do that with Housecall Pro. I've successfully used postcards in my own cleaning business, and they brought in a lot of return revenue for me. They helped increase my lifetime value of my customers, and they did it for less than $1 a postcard. So I think Housecall Pro is the best software for cleaners. I recommend it to cleaners all the time. I've heard other cleaners go out and use things like Markate and Jobber and Service Monster and Service Titan, these other softwares, and we have clients who work with those softwares too. And there's nothing wrong with those softwares. But what I have found is that consistently, Housecall Pro tends to get the results that we're looking for. People tend to have an easy time figuring out how to work with the software and get it to work in their cleaning business. And once they get going with it, the cleaners that I've talked to, they just like Housecall Pro. And HCP's got a great support team. They're always willing to help you out. They're always willing to add new features to the software to improve it. They've recently added things like pipeline. So if you want to manage leads like a CRM in your Housecall Pro, like a sales CRM, you can do that within Housecall Pro now. You can do estimates. You can do all kinds of stuff in Housecall Pro. So go check it out. They're adding new features all the time. There's new integrations being added all the time. And if you haven't signed up for Housecall Pro yet, then go to the link in the description. You can get 50% off your first 2 months. If you sign up through that link, let them know that Reuben at BookCleaningJobs sent you. I hope that discount was helpful to you. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. If this video was helpful, hit like. If you want to grow your cleaning business, hit subscribe. We post a lot of videos for cleaners here. I'm Reuben with BookCleaningJobs.com, and I'll talk with you later.